Okay, so now we are going to learn about the months of the year, like January, February, March, etc. So let's give it a try. The first one we have is enero, which means January. Enero, January. Enero. And then we have febrero. Febrero, which means February. So this one is quite similar to English, so it should be easy to remember. Actually, most of the months in Spanish and in English are basically very similar, except for this one, the first one, enero. So enero and January, they are the most different ones. Okay, enero, febrero, and then we have marzo, March. Marzo, March, marzo. And then we have abril, which means April. Abril, April, abril. So, enero, febrero, marzo, abril. Okay, and let's try the next one. Mayo, which means May. Mayo. So it's basically the same, you just remove the letter O, and there you go, May. Mayo. And then we have junio, June. Junio, June. And then we have julio, July. Julio, Julio. And then we have agosto, August. Agosto, August, agosto. So, mayo, junio, julio, agosto. Okay, let's try the next one. Septiembre. So, it sounds similar enough to English, September. Septiembre. Septiembre. And then we have octubre. October. Octubre. Septiembre, octubre. And then we have noviembre. November. Noviembre. Noviembre. And then we have diciembre. December. Diciembre. So let's try it out. Septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. And let's check out this one, the one in the bottom. So, enero, febrero, marzo, abril. Mayo, junio, julio, agosto. Septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. So, I think that's easy to remember. Most of them are similar to English. Okay, let's try the first example. En Estados Unidos hace frío en enero. In the US, it's cold in January. En Estados Unidos hace frío en enero. So when it comes to cold or hot, we say hacer, not ser. So basically, to do cold. In the US, it does cold. So basically, that would be the more literal translation. It's hace frío, to do cold, basically. So it's cold. And the next one. El día de San Valentín es en febrero. Valentine's Day is in February. El día de San Valentín es en febrero. So when it comes to Valentine's Day, in Spanish we call it El Día de San Valentín. So basically, Saint Valentine's Day. So it's the same one. It's the same as Valentine's Day. Okay, let's try the next one. En Nueva York hace frío en marzo. In New York, it's cold in March. En Nueva York hace frío en marzo. So once again, we have hacer. So basically, to do cold. And the next one. Mi mamá cumple años en abril. My mom's birthday is in April. So this is something special about Spanish because when we say it's her birthday, we call it cumpleaños, which means that we use the word for achieve years. So basically, you achieve years in April. That's the more literal translation. My mom achieves years in April. Mi mamá cumple años en abril. So the word for birthday is cumpleaños, to achieve years. So that's a new one. Okay, let's try the next one. Ella juega fútbol en mayo. She plays soccer in May. Ella juega fútbol en mayo. She plays soccer in May. And the next one would be, en junio no voy a la escuela. In June I don't go to school. En junio no voy a la escuela. Okay, let's try the next one. Vamos a la playa en junio. We go to the beach in June. Vamos a la playa en junio. And let's try the next one for July. Hace calor en julio. It's hot in July. So once again, hacer is basically to do hot in July. Hace calor en julio. And the next one. Mi cumpleaños es en agosto. My birthday is in August. So, cumpleaños means birthday. So, you can say yo cumplo años. I achieve years in August. Or mi cumpleaños. My achieve years. So, basically, birthday is called cumpleaños. And you can say yo cumplo años. I achieve years. So, it's a little confusing, but that's basically how it goes. Okay, so in this one, cumpleaños has no conjugation because it means birthday. Okay, let's try the next one. Here we have, ellos van a la escuela en septiembre. They go to school in September. Ellos van a la escuela en septiembre. And the next one. En octubre, in October, usamos suéteres. We wear sweaters. So basically, we wear sweaters in October. En octubre usamos suéteres. And you can actually modify the word order. You can say usamos suéteres en octubre. So that one is more literal to we wear sweaters in October. So you can, in Spanish, you can change the word order a little bit. And it still means the same. Okay, let's try the next one. And here we have, en noviembre, comemos con nuestras familias. In November, we eat with our families. En noviembre, comemos con nuestras familias. And the next one. Navidad es en diciembre. Christmas is in December. Navidad es en diciembre. So the word for Christmas in Spanish is Navidad. Christmas. Navidad. And the next one. En diciembre juego con la nieve. In December I play with the snow. En diciembre juego con la nieve. Okay, so that's it for this one. You can check out the Quizlet if you want to memorize the days of the week. So thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.